All right, here we go. I said I had a hard time with this area right here because I wanted it to curve this way, and I didn't want it to curve this way. So every time I tried to make it flat, but also curve like this, I had a buckle right here. And I kept fighting with it, and I thought I was gonna have to remake the piece. And the last thing I did was heat. I let it buckle, I buckled it, and then I heated it, and I pounded out the buckle, and I had success. So I almost thought I had to start again.
Yeah, but it came out really
Came
nice.
out good. So I drilled out these spot welds. You can see them on the front side too, and what that was this piece came, and then it flanged down, and it spot welded on to attach these two pieces. So I think the next piece I'll make will be this flanged piece, and I'll use the shrinker stretcher to bring it around. And I'm not sure if that'll be a two-piece deal, or if I will use this just as a template to create this piece. So I'll play that by ear. I keep getting a kink right there. Right there.
No, we'll go put it back.
To it at all, really. It's just a flat tray. And I kept thinking, well, where was the battery? If it was a flat tray, how could they have placed it? But I guess, yeah, must have been a small battery.